Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Now, if you see us running,
We have to go back.
yeah, we have to go back. It's either we don't make it, and he has to go on duty with my mommy.
Hey. Finally, we're here.
Yeah,
Almost.
and we hurry up the rain. It's either we get sick or we get strong.
Finally.
Now, we made it home. As you can see, we arrived home. Oh, the rain's coming. We made it. We made it. We did it. We did it, Kuya.
What is it, boss?
We just have to rush back home because my mom is going on duty. I meant going outside because of dinner. Alright, so this will be it for the running voyage. So remember to click the subscribe below, and we apologize for not filming episode 8 because we had to rush back home. So once again, I am Nap Good Size the Third.
Kuya Jerry.
And we'll see you once again on the mentioned episode.